All right, let's go. In the data section of Filemob, two new variables in our reentrant data structure, pickFile and spinlock. They're both used as reentrant spinlocks. In the reentrant function we've been working on, once we have picked a file, we're going to set pickFile to true. This will also happen if we abort selecting a file. Both of these big chunks of code have been moved to AAA and BBB sections. Let's scroll down. We're waiting for the user to pick a file, and we're going to wait at step 2 until a file has been picked. So we're going to end up at step 2 over and over again until we've picked a file. Once we've picked a file, we want to convert that file to a byte array. So we're going to dispatch code that's going to do that. So this code right here eventually needs to be extracted from the function it's in and pasted down here and reworked a little bit. But we'll get to that in a different video. So this is moved code AAA from up here, where it was in this inline function. And then once we have converted the file to a binary array, we want to go down here and load that into the master memory. So in between this step and the load into master memory step, we have another spin lock here. This step 4 is a spin lock, and it is waiting for the spin lock that is associated with this task right here. It's waiting for that spin lock to be released. Once the spin lock is released, we are going to stop going back to step 4 over and over again. We're going to move past step 4. So step 5 is the last step. We're going to load the 512 by 512 image picked by the user into the master memory. This is moved code BBB from this section right here. We copied it and pasted it down to here. And all this code, right? All this code is the same code. We just moved it down into here, into this moved code BBB section. And that's it for this refactor. We still have more stuff to do. It's not completely refactored. What we did previously, footnotes, more footnotes, and what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.